Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Noida Sector 62, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to cater to all your scanning needs. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Private Limited offers unparalleled 3D scanning services that will blow your mind. Whether you need scanning for architectural purposes, industrial design, or even for medical applications, they have got you covered. Their team of professionals is highly skilled and experienced in handling all kinds of scanning projects, ensuring that you receive the best possible results. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning service providers is their commitment to excellence. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in 3D scanning, and they go above and beyond to deliver impeccable results. Whether you need a small object scanned or a large-scale project, they have the capabilities to handle it all. Their advanced equipment and cutting-edge technology ensure that every detail is captured with utmost clarity and precision. Located in the heart of Noida Sector 62, Scon Design India Private Ltd is conveniently accessible for clients in Delhi NCR. You no longer have to worry about traveling long distances to get your scanning needs met. Their prime location makes it easier for you to collaborate with their team and discuss your requirements in person. They take pride in providing exceptional customer service and strive to exceed your expectations at every step. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the value of time and ensures quick turnaround times for all their projects. They know that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced world, and they make it a point to deliver your scanned files within the agreed-upon timeframe. With their efficient workflow and streamlined processes, you can rest assured that your project will be completed on time, every time. I am absolutely thrilled to talk about the amazing 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Private Ltd in Noida Sector 62, Delhi NCR. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, they have revolutionized the field of scanning and imaging. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a renowned company that has established itself as a leader in the industry, providing top-notch services to their clients. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the name that comes to mind. They use state-of-the-art equipment and software to capture intricate details with precision. Whether it's for architectural purposes, product modeling, or even medical imaging, they have the expertise and resources to deliver exceptional results. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that every scan is accurate and of the highest quality, leaving no room for error. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out from its competitors is their commitment to customer satisfaction.